one piece because he shipped it, and man, the UPS or whoever the shipping company was beat it up pretty
I see
bad.
it got a little bit right here.
Yeah, it beat it up bad. That's what's great about containers that are all together, so a little less likely to have that happen. Let me show you the lights here. My own.
Get a gun.
Here's the lights.
Nice. So on the wingtips, are they clear? They come clear?
They're clear, but they glow the respective colors.
Oh, they are colorized.
Yeah, they're
LEDs.
colorized
Okay.
LEDs. Yeah, I just went ahead.
But you went ahead and put the
clear. Just
clear.
put them on there for the day, so you can see there's color on them, as they would have been.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Beacon.
Yeah, there's a beacon, and then you'll see here full flying stab. Quite a bit of stab.
Oh yeah, quite, wow.
Oh, yeah, you
lot of.
Oh, yeah, this thing will yank it back like a pylon racer.
I saw.
Impressive.
I saw the video this morning.
Oh my gosh.
That Pilot Ryan did.
Yeah. So lots of fun. We're gonna go out here and fly the crap out of this thing today. Just have some fun with it. And one of the things we want to do today is have guys who like the products just get together. We'll do some photos with you guys with it. We can put them up online and have you hold it if you want or whatever. So,
holding
that's what it's here for. You enjoy.
Yeah,
holding your pre-order. Yeah.
Holding our money.
We're holding your pre-order in April, but we're holding it now.
There are many F4s like this, but this one is not mine. Mine is coming.
Yeah. And then the 3D part set, easy to modify and add the headrest and whatnot.
Yeah, look at the
So nose cone magnetic.
Oh, nice.
Oh wow,
Little
nice.
tongue will keep it
Little tongue, yeah. You can actually do your cuts here to
off.
add the modification to make it a C model, which comes in the 3D part set. So really awesome, and it's a strong magnet. I mean, that son of a gun snaps on.
Well, I like the idea of the tongue because if you bounce the nose kind of hard, it won't flop off.
Absolutely
like it does
right.
the 15 and the 14.
It's locked in. Yeah, she's fantastic. I have not glued the pylons on for the tanks yet because I've only had 2 flights on it. I got sick for like 2 weeks with the flu.
Oh wow!
So I've had it for a month, but I was down for a while. So, and here's the other thing: I couldn't fly to Apollo because of the leaks. So we found a road out by the Mojave Air and Spaceport, which is a neat backdrop with the windmills. You see in the video.
I saw the pictures with
Yeah, so we found
nice.
this old overrun, and we just flew it out there and got the couple flights in. Sent the videos and the pictures to James, and then we started loading stuff up and getting ready for the event. So we're going to glue the pylons on later today, and we'll fly with the tanks.
Are you ordering as we speak?
So, yeah. Here you go.
Here you go. Here's a ordering pre-order in progress.
Now before you spend that money. All right, good job. Just don't tell the wife.
There you go.
No, your secret's safe with us. Now.
Oh man. There's Bob Ruff in action.
Yes.
Pre-order time now. And there's the 90mm F4 with the A10, so you get a size compare. Of course, you saw X-Plane guy right next to the plane. But
give you an idea how big she is.
yeah, there you go. Look at that. Thanks, Tony. Look at that. Look how big this thing is. Wow.
She's really a pretty bird.
Yeah. Fly pretty light on the wing, does she? Or
It really does.
okay.
Yeah, with an F4, when I first got it, I thought, my gosh, this thing is going to be a bit of a pig. You think that. That's your initial reaction. I think most people feel that way about the airplane. But
sure.
Nice combination with a great power system in it. She's light on the wing. Robust landing gear. I mean, this landing gear is neat. So.
Oh, look at this. You're
Really
typical of your the Freewing offerings.
Right.
Look at this. It's all aluminum, looks like.
Yep.
All metal construction.
All metal construction.
Gosh, a lot of thought, engineering.
Yeah. Our buddy Alpha,
metal work.
Freewing team, have done a great job capturing all this detail and making it robust. Because here, the main thing is the grass guys get left out a lot, and so the last year, the focus has been more on getting everybody involved. Whether you're flying off a dirt runway like we have at our home, or grass field, she's robust and built for all different surfaces.
Yeah.
So you can see the suspension here.
Oh wow. Yeah. Geez.
Like the A10. I mean, she's fantastic,
okay.
right?
Yeah.
So she's built tough.
Very cool. Get some footage of this thing flying.
Absolutely. We'll do
Outstanding.
that later today. We'll get her out there ripping around.
Outstanding. Pre-release right here.